Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching it Times Now News Hour Special Edition with me, Priya Behel. After spending 5 months in jail, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today addressed his first mega public rally since being granted bail by the Supreme Court, and right away sent shockwaves through the political corridors, doing what he's best at, capitalizing on public sentiment. Armed with bail in Delhi excise policy case, Aam Aadmi Party chief made an unexpected announcement that he is going to resign as the chief minister after 2 days. He vowed not to sit in CM's chair till people give him a certificate of honesty. He also demanded early elections in Delhi, called for the centre to hold polls in November alongside Maharashtra and not in February as scheduled.
आज मैं जेल से आया हूं, मैं अपनी अग्नि परीक्षा देने के लिए तैयार हूं। 2 दिन के बाद, आज से 2 दिन के बाद मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं, और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे। जब तक चुनाव नहीं होते तब तक मेरी जगह आम आदमी पार्टी से कोई और मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा। मनीष जी का भी कहना है कि ये दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री और शिक्षा मंत्री और मंत्री का पद तभी संभालेंगे जब दिल्ली की जनता कहेगी कि मनीष सिसोदिया ईमानदार है। आज मैं आपकी अदालत में आया हूं, जनता की अदालत में आया हूं। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, मेरे पक्ष में वोट दे देना। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल गुनहगार है, मेरे को वोट मत देना। फरवरी में चुनाव है। आज इस मंच से मैं मांग करता हूं कि ये चुनाव नवंबर में कराए जाएं, महाराष्ट्र के साथ कराए जाएं।
The timing of Kejriwal's resignation is uncanny. Crucial polls are on the anvil in Haryana, and Delhi is lined up next. With his resignation ploy, Aam Aadmi Party is seeking to generate sympathy amongst the public and counter the corrupt party narrative that has been bolstered by the investigation into Excise Gate. True to plan, Aam Aadmi Party netas have gone all out in eulogizing their campaigner-in-chief, insisting that Kejriwal has in fact set a new benchmark of honesty.
आई थिंक सीएम साहब ने कहा कि भाई अगर लोग सोचते हैं कि वो ईमानदार हैं और करप्शन इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो फिर बढ़िया तरीके से उनको जिताएं।
दिल्ली की जनता के लिए आगे किस तरह से काम होगा सर?
जनता के लिए काम पहले भी हो रहे थे और आज भी हो रहे हैं और आगे होते रहेंगे।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने 2020 में काम के नाम पर वोट मांगा था और कहा कि अगर मैंने काम किया है तो मुझे वोट देना, मैंने काम नहीं किया तो मुझे वोट नहीं देना। आज उनपे तोहमतें लगाई गई, आरोप लगाया गया। आज मुख्यमंत्री जी ने अपनी ईमानदारी की परीक्षा, अग्नि परीक्षा देने का फैसला लिया है।
उन्होंने पहले भी मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी को लात मार दी थी। जो इनके तंग करने पे ना टूटे ना झुके, इन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की कि इस्तीफा दें, परंतु जब कोर्ट ने इनको बाहर निकाल दिया, उसके बाद ये जनता की अदालत में जा रहे हैं।
Now, the timing is also what the opposition is latching on to. The BJP is asking, why does he need 48 hours? Why could he not resign earlier? Even Aam Aadmi Party's national ally, Congress, thinks that it is too little too late. In fact, son of former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, Sandeep Dikshit, came out to say there is no link between morality and Arvind Kejriwal. BJP, perhaps caught off guard, has dismissed the announcement as just a gimmick, a PR stunt and a covert bid to give Delhi's reins to Sunita Kejriwal. The Saffron Party is calling out the attempt by a party facing serious graft charges to take high moral ground only to gain sympathy and votes. Sudhanshu Trivedi came out to ask, why does CM need 2 more days to resign? What is it that he wants to settle?
यदि चुनाव चाहते हैं तो कैबिनेट की बैठक बुलाइए, असेंबली डिसॉल्व करके डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ असेंबली रिकमेंड कर दीजिए नए चुनाव के लिए। इसमें मांग क्या करना भाई? जिसके पास 70 में 62 एमएलए हैं, वो कह रहे मैं मांग करता हूं कि चुनाव किया जाए। ये मांग अपने आप में दर्शाती है कि उनका किरदार अपने आप में कितना विचित्र हो गया है।
देखिए, अभी दिल्ली की सरकार कितने दिन चलेगी ये तो इस बात पर डिपेंड करेगा कि चुनाव की घोषणा कब होती है, चुनाव किस तारीख को होंगे, ये तो चुनाव आयोग बताएगा। लेकिन दिल्ली की सरकार 1 दिन चले, 1 हफ्ते चले, 1 महीने चले चुनाव तक, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार दिल्ली की जनता के लिए काम करती रहेगी।
48 घंटे बाद की बात क्या है? देश और दिल्ली की जनता जानना चाहती है 48 घंटे का राज क्या है, ये 48 घंटे में क्या क्या सेटल करना है, क्योंकि आप देश के पहले मुख्यमंत्री बने हैं जो सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के द्वारा प्रतिबंधित है कि आप कार्यालय नहीं जा सकते, कोई फाइल नहीं साइन कर सकते, जिस मुद्दे में आप आरोपी हैं उस पर बयान नहीं दे सकते। कौन सी ऐसी निजी चीज है जिसके लिए आप 48 घंटे की मोहलत मांगने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
उसका तो सिंपल सा रीजन है, आज संडे है और कल छुट्टी है ईद की, तो नेक्स्ट वर्किंग डे ट्यूसडे, इसलिए 2 दिन का समय चाहिए।
Has Aam Aadmi Party looked for Aapada Mein Avsar? Have they caught the BJP off guard? Is it a sacrifice of the highest order or just a political stunt? To answer some of those questions, we are now joined by Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the BJP. Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst, is with us. Dr. Akashdeep Muni is joining us. He's also a political analyst, and so is Sanjeev Kaushik. Welcome, gentlemen, to this debate. My first question to you, Dr. Akashdeep Muni. What do you think of Arvind Kejriwal's resignation today?
See, today the step taken by the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi is a huge step in terms of politics. Because in today's world, where not a single district president's post is left by any person, this person has come and told to the countrymen that I am going to leave my chief minister position and then I will be taking that back when I'll be voted to power. The interesting factor today is that can this be done by a Haryana Chief Minister of Bharatiya Janata Party who changes...
Haryana Chief Minister hasn't served 5 months in jail.
Can this happen?
He hasn't been called a kingpin by the agency probing him.
Pardon?
Haryana Chief Minister has not spent 5 months in jail. He hasn't been called kingpin in any of the cases that we know of. Do you know anything better?
Let Haryana Chief Minister join Congress Party or Aam Aadmi Party. Bharatiya Janata Party will call him the kingpin.
सर अब हम फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट वाली डिबेट में चले जाएंगे. बेल नहीं दिया वो भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं दिया, बेल दिया वो भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दिया.
मैं तो आज बोलना चाहता हूं कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, अच्छा वो आपने याद दिला दिया, ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्या कहते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अच्छे दिन की सरकार में CBI is a caged parrot.
Sir, I'll tell you what the Supreme Court said, that the restrictions that have been imposed on Arvind Kejriwal earlier will stay, and which is why I want to ask you, what other option did Arvind Kejriwal have? ये तो कंपल्शन था ना, वो सीएम का काम तो ऐसे भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे, वैसे भी नहीं कर पाते, because of what Supreme Court said.
Because of, with all respect, there is a factual inaccuracy in what you are saying. You have to understand, you and the people of the country have to understand how Delhi works. There is not a single portfolio with Arvind Kejriwal as Chief Minister. So he need not to sign any particular document. The document he needs to sign is that goes to LG staff, which he has been given permission by the Honorable Supreme Court. कि अभी भी जो LG साहब के पास जो डॉक्यूमेंट जाती है उसमें एज चीफ मिनिस्टर वो साइन कर सकते हैं.
Okay, which is great. So then if he was so capable of taking decisions, why did he quit?
चलिए ये अब मैं kindly give me 30 seconds to reply this. You remember what Bharatiya Janata Party did in Maharashtra? It broke one party, 2 parties. You know what Bharatiya Janata Party did in Arunachal Pradesh, what Bharatiya Janata Party did in Madhya Pradesh. कांग्रेस की सरकार तोड़ दी थी, अब वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आ गई है. तो they had a funda that we will be, what they will be doing is that we will be putting the chief minister behind bars. He will resign. We will be taking the person who sat on behalf of the chief minister, like he did with Champai Soren. You remember?
Okay, it was about existential crisis that Aam Aadmi Party very cleverly averted, Pradeep Bhandari. Your ploy has been foiled.
Democracy being demolished.
Well, what I can say, Priya, is that the wild card of Indian politics has become the corruption card of Indian politics. Let me show this to your viewers. This is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal before the 2024 elections when the Supreme Court had given him an interim bail, and he said, if you vote for the Indie bloc, I won't have to go to jail. What did the people of Delhi respond to? Mr. People of Delhi said, please go back to jail. We do not want to get back to your gimmicks. What is the reality? The reality today, Priya, is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has accepted that the people of Delhi and India consider him as corrupt. Because had he not considered that and had he not believed that 177 days after being in jail, he would not come and say that I have to go back to the people and prove my innocence. Only a man who has a guilt of being corrupt will have to prove his innocence. So now it is established that the entire Aam Aadmi Party, in particular Arvind Kejriwal, believes that he is corrupt. Point number one. Point number two, I'll tell you how honest is he. How such a big dichotomy in his statement. He says that he has zero bank balance in his account. With zero bank balance in his account, he has wasted 50 crores of public money to build a sheesh mahal with crores spent in curtains and marble. This is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's honesty. The reality is that Mr. Akashdeep Muni also understands and realizes, along with that, his India Alliance partner, Congress Party, also understands and realizes that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal today is a political liability. This is why in Haryana, the Congress doesn't do an alliance with Arvind Kejriwal, and the Aam Aadmi Party, in particular, at this moment, is looking extremely rattled. Please tell me, Priya, that why has he taken a 48-hour break? And if he had to make somebody the chief minister, why could he not do it from the jail? So he does not have any trust in the Aam Aadmi Party workers themselves that sitting in jail, if they conduct an all-party meeting and appoint somebody as the chief minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will get insecure. And he was rattled that suppose if I am in jail and somebody else becomes the chief minister and he becomes popular and people of Delhi among the Aam Aadmi Party workers, what will happen to me? So it's only about saving his own kursi and the parivar. He is next Lalu Prasad Yadav, and let me just tell you the big difference, Priya, and with which I will end it. Even Lalu Prasad Yadav, a corrupt man, had resigned when he had to go to jail. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has proven that he is corrupt, more corrupt than Lalu Prasad Yadav. Even Om Prakash Chautala had resigned when the charges against him were framed.
Okay, so let's take it one by one. You've made several points in those arguments over there, but Sanjeev Kaushik, tell me this. Atishi has already answered this why 48-hour delay. She says because it's a weekend and then there is Eid ul-Milad. I did not know that politicians also had a calendar. Is there any such protocol that a chief minister, if he wants to resign, cannot do so because there are public holidays?
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग जिस तरह की कहानियां गढ़ रहे हैं वो गढ़ते रहेंगे, लेकिन सच बात यह है कि एक प्रोसेस है, संसदीय दल की एक बैठक होती है और उसमें वो तय किया जाएगा कि अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि
सर वो मीटिंग्स तो कल हो गई ना दो
माध्यम से और केंद्र सरकार
केजरीवाल जी को जेल से बाहर आए हुए 2 दिन हो गए। वो फ्राइडे रात को आए थे, कल ऑलरेडी 2 मीटिंग्स हो गई, एक सिसोदिया के घर पे, एक उनके घर पे।
प्रिया ना, आप चिंता करें ना, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग चिंता करें। ये सार्वजनिक
मुझे तो एब्सोल्युटली कोई चिंता नहीं है, मेरे पास सिर्फ सवाल है,
बनने की बात है ना,
क्यूरियोसिटी।
अच्छा, इसमें मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने जिस तरह से अपने इस्तीफा देकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिस तरह से चुनौती एक दे दी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इस इस्तीफे का स्वागत करें
सर,
या
इस्तीफा दिया नहीं है,
किस तरह की चर्चा करें।
वही सवाल है,
इस्तीफा दे दिए,
वही सवाल है, इस्तीफा दिया नहीं है, ऑफर किया है,
देंगे आप,
डिलेड, डेफर्ड रेजिग्नेशन ऑफर।
वो एक तरह से घोषणा उसे एक तरह से उसे आप घोषणा समझ लीजिए, वो आप दिख जाएगा वो।
नहीं, वही मेरा सवाल है सर कि कर देते आज रिजाइन। इतनी सारी भीड़ थी, जो सिंपैथी उनको चाहिए, जो विक्टिम का, आज ही रिजाइन कर देते। 2 दिन क्यों चाहिए उनको? कोई विक्टिम का सबसे ज्यादा तो परेशान इस तरह के कदम से, यदि अरविंद केजरीवाल को हानि ही होने वाली है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी क्यों परेशान है इस तरह के कदम से? भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए तो बेहतर है कि वो इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी अब इस चक्कर में लगी हुई है कि वो किसको बना रहे हैं, सुनीता केजरीवाल को बना रहे हैं, आतिशी को बना रहे हैं। अरे साहब, किसी को भी बनाए, आम आदमी पार्टी के पूरे संगठन के जो सांगठनिक तरीका है उस आधार पर चुन करके बनाया जाएगा, उसमें कहीं कोई दो मत नहीं है। बनाना होता है संगठन के आधार पे, तो मतलब जब सुनीता केजरीवाल स्टार कैंपेनर नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 इवेंचुअली बनी थी, तब वो संगठन में कहीं नहीं थी। तो संगठन का आधार इज अ स्लाइटली कन्फ्लेटेड डेफिनेशन देयर।
क्या इससे किसी को क्या एतराज हो सकता है भला? एक पढ़ा लिखा मुख्यमंत्री, एक पढ़ी लिखी उसकी पत्नी, उसके पति को जेल में डाल दिया जाए, वो भी गलत तरीके से, एक दूसरे के कहने के आधार पर तीसरे को एक ऐसा आरोप जिसमें एक झेले भर की कहीं कोई बरामदगी नहीं हुई हो, वो केस चलता रहेगा। मैंने कहा कि कानूनी प्रक्रिया है वो चलता रहेगा। आम आदमी पार्टी ने जो चुनौती दी है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को, चुनौती एक्सेप्ट करे और दिल्ली की जनता को वो बताया कि दिल्ली की जनता के काम को क्यों रुकने का प्रयास कर रही है।
अच्छा, Tehseen wants to come in. Tehseen, and then I will go back to your chunauti question. Yes, Tehseen, you want to make a point.
सड़क हो, शिक्षा हो।
Thank you so much for having me on the show. Good evening to you, to your viewers, and all my fellow panelists. First, I'm going to be Nostradamus and I'm going to make a prediction. We're going to go two ways. What's going to happen day after tomorrow? By the way, day after tomorrow, there's Ganesh Visarjan. So why is that not a holiday? You please, when you meet, if Atishi gives you an interview, please ask her that, because, you know, one is either pregnant or not pregnant. One can't be half pregnant. So either you resign or you've not resigned. You can't half resign, hope to resign sometime in the future. So Mr. Kejriwal has not yet resigned. Now what happens day after tomorrow when this meeting is called? What's going to happen is, two ways this will go. Either number one, Mr. Kejriwal will have had a magical referendum where all the SMSs in WhatsApp will come in from WhatsApp University. People will cry. People will say that, look, we'll become, hamare sar se chaya chala gaya, aap resign mat kijiye. Sort of emotional sentiment, Mr. Kejriwal will not resign, and a meeting that is called a core committee will force him to stay on. So, bahut dukh mein, bahut peeda mein, Mr. Kejriwal will stay on. Or the second thing that will happen is Mrs. Kejriwal will become chief minister. ये बाकी जो आप तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हो ना, सौरभ भाई, कैलाश भाई, आतिशी, none of them are becoming chief minister. If anyone else becomes chief minister, the party will break. The Aam Aadmi Party also knows that. So it is either Mr. Kejriwal or it is Mrs. Kejriwal. So on the answer, congratulations to Dr. Saab and Sanjeev. After Lalu ji, this is the second party that's going to have the husband-wife as a chief minister, and they can continue defending it. Look, I stood up for Kejriwalji's liberty when it was taken away. The BJP put him in jail. But why is the Aam Aadmi Party suddenly doing this? They're doing this for two reasons. As you rightly said in your introduction, that Mr. Kejriwal anyways has no power to sign any files. There is nothing he can do. But let's ask the more pertinent question. Why does he want the BJP or the Election Commission to call elections? You want elections again. You're pregnant or not pregnant. You can't be half pregnant. Dissolve the assembly. You have the majority. Dissolve the assembly. Election Commission has no choice but to call elections. They have zero choice. The Constitution of India mandates that they call elections here. So to dissolve the assembly, call the election. Ho jaye do haath. You're only doing this to take attention away and hopefully get something in Haryana elections. But Kejriwalji's impact in Haryana elections is going to be as much as in the other states where it's a direct fight between Congress and BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party is going to get less than Nota in Haryana. Mark my words. Rajgopalanji, when I'm in parliament, you quote this about me.
Okay, two things there. Mr. Rajgopalan, I will come to you there. But Mr. Akashdeep Muni, ये जो 48 आवर्स का वक्त है, क्या ये डिसाइड करने के लिए तो नहीं है कि लालू राबड़ी मॉडल रखना है कि मनमोहन सोनिया मॉडल रखना है? Will there be a puppet chief minister or will there be a Mrs. Chief Minister?
देखिए, अगर जो भी पार्टी डिसाइड करेगी, आपसे या मुझसे पूछ के तो नहीं करेगी.
सर, पार्टी किसी से भी पूछ कर नहीं करेगी. That is what Tehseen is saying.
नहीं, आपको भी पता है रूल्स कैसे होते हैं.
नहीं पता सर, प्लीज बताइए.
रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चीफ मिनिस्टर, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. अगर आप बोल रही नहीं पता तो एमएलए डिसाइड करते हैं कि नहीं भाई उनका नेता कौन होगा. जैसे एमपी
Sunita Kejriwal, when she was made star campaigner, which MLAs had decided that? When was the legislator meeting called? MLAs की कहाँ मीटिंग हुई थी जिसमें डिसाइड हुआ था कि स्टार कैंपेनर नंबर 1 और तब और नंबर 2 अब सुनीता केजरीवाल होंगी?
मैं फिर से रिटरेट करना चाहता हूँ, मैं स्टार कैंपेनर का लिस्ट डिसाइड करने से एमएलए को पूछा नहीं जाता. चीफ मिनिस्टर के टाइम में एमएलए को पूछा जाता है. एमएलए डिसाइड करते हैं, वोटिंग होती है उसमें. और दूसरी बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप जो बात कर रही है कि सुनीता केजरीवाल को स्टार कैंपेनर 2 क्यों बनाया, आपके चैनल पे मैंने 2-3 बार बोला है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने खुद बोला है, जब वो बेल पे बाहर निकले थे तो उन्होंने खुद बोला था कि सुनीता केजरीवाल का पॉलिटिकल करियर उसी दिन खत्म हो जाता है जिस दिन मैं जेल के बाहर आ जाऊंगा. उनका कोई भी पॉलिटिकल अस्तित्व नहीं रहेगा. कि मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, केजरीवाल जी ने कहा था. दूसरी बात, सिसोदिया जी ने कहा था कि नहीं रुकिए 5 सेकंड रुकिए. मनीष सिसोदिया जी ने भी ये कहा था. मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ कि आज आपके जो कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता बात कर रहे हैं वो बता दे कि प्रियंका गांधी के हस्बैंड वाड्रा जी ये लिख के दे देगी वाड्रा जी का पॉलिटिकल करियर कभी शुरू या खत्म नहीं होगा. क्या ये सुनीता केजरीवाल के बारे में अरविंद केजरीवाल बोल सकते, कोई और पार्टी नहीं बोल सकती.
I'll answer that. He made a personal dig at my family.
Yes, Tehseen, quickly, and then I'll get Mr. Rajgopalan in. Yes, Tehseen.
That's all. They'll take personal digs at my family. That's fine. Look, is Robert a star campaigner? Is he on any list? I mean, Sunita ji was a star campaigner. She was appointed star campaigner. Your sources they say she's a legitimate contender for the chief minister's post. Is Robert anywhere a contender for the Congress president's post or any other post? मतलब कुछ भी कोई भी logic है यार. This is bizarre. But let's ask one fundamental question which they didn't answer. Just answer that. I think Pradeep also asked that question. Rajgopal ji जरा इनको संविधान explain to them the constitution. If you want elections, dissolve the assembly. Dissolve the assembly, elections have to be held. What is the rocket science in that? 2 + 2 is 4. Dissolve the assembly, have elections. What is this nonsense of when will now we challenge BJP to have elections?
Yes, Dr. R. Rajgopalan. Now, when we talk about Sunita Kejriwal, now technically speaking, मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी पर तो वो एक बार बैठ चुकी हैं जब वो टेलीविजन एड्रेस करती थी दोनों तरफ पिक्चर्स लगाकर when केजरीवाल was in jail, तो कुर्सी पर तो बैठ ही गई हैं. ऑफिशियल अनॉइंटमेंट अगर हो भी जाए so what is wrong in that? And if Aam Aadmi Party is so keen on early elections, why is it not announcing those elections? Why is it not dissolving the assembly? What could be the strategy behind this, buying this 48-hour time and putting the onus on the center?
To ensure, as Mr. Taisim Poonawalla has been saying, he has to dissolve the assembly. He has every right to go to the governor and president of India. Draupadi Murmu is the sole authority of Delhi. She can dissolve the assembly. Apart from that, Priyaji, 10 लाख रुपया में bail में है, bond में है ये chief minister. He has no moral right. Second, ये तो enforcement directorate CBI ने जितना charge दिया है वो prove हो गया by resignation. Why should he resign? He said he will not resign, but after coming out of the jail, he is resigning. Second, I am telling you, I am not a astrologer, but Sunita Kejriwal is the chief minister because शीश महल बहुत प्यारा है. शीश महल को तोड़ना नहीं चाहते हैं. More than Delhi voters, more than Delhi MLAs, they are attached to Sheesh Mahal. Therefore, they want to continue to live in Sheesh Mahal. That is why Sunita Kejriwal will be the acting chief minister for at least 3 or 4 months. Without being an MLA, she is the chief minister, and in 6 months' time, she has to be elected. By the time the assembly will be having a new members of parliament, members of assembly. Therefore, Mr. Kejriwal is playing with Constitution of India, and Mr. Kejriwal, you are out on bail or 10 lakh rupees bail bond.
Maybe perhaps Pradeep Bhandari, Arvind Kejriwal is playing very, very smart. He is, in fact, one of the 2 chief ministers who've repeatedly outsmarted the BJP when it comes to elections. When it comes to the question of why he resigned today, he said this, and I'm quoting, जो लोग पूछते हैं कि केजरीवाल जब जेल में था तो इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं दिया? मैंने इस्तीफा इसलिए नहीं दिया क्योंकि मैं देश के जनतंत्र को बचाना चाहता हूं. अगर मैं इस्तीफा दे देता तो ये सबको जेल में डालते क्योंकि इन्होंने सिद्धारमैया, ममता दीदी, पिनराई विजयन सबके खिलाफ केस कर रखे हैं. Counter this. He's being an extremely astute politician. Has he caught you off guard, especially given the Haryana elections where Aam Aadmi Party is contesting 89 of the 90 seats?
Well, I think Mr. Rahul Gandhi has not tweeted even once since Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has got out. If you remember very well, Priya, Mr. Rahul Gandhi had tweeted when Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was legitimately arrested. The arrest is legitimate as per the Supreme Court. So we are not rattled. I think there is a conflict in the India alliance. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party were asking Congress Party for 5 seats, 6 seats, 7 seats, 8 seats, 9 seats, 10 seats. With that, you can understand the impact of the Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana. And just to give you a data point, last time the Aam Aadmi Party contested in Haryana, it lost deposits in all the seats, including Bhiwani, where Mr. Arvind Kejriwal belongs to. So Aam Aadmi Party is not a threat in Haryana. Now, Priya, you said that Aam Aadmi Party has outsmarted us in elections. I disagree to that. If you look at 2024 Lok Sabha elections where Arvind Kejriwal said that it's a mandate on whether his arrest was legitimate or not, the people of Delhi gave BJP 7 out of 7 seats. If you remember 2019, 14, all the 3 successive elections in Gujarat, if you remember, the same thing happened in Haryana, the same thing happened. Yes, in Delhi Assembly elections, the Aam Aadmi Party has won the last 2 elections, and this time you will see a better strategy from our side. But I will tell you a more important point. There is an internal power struggle going on in the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is where he wants to install a puppet chief minister because it's a temporary chief minister. Had Arvind Kejriwal had one amount of confidence in his party, why did he not declare that the chief minister will not be a temporary chief minister but will be a permanent chief minister? Because He wants to prove to the Aam Aadmi Party workers that nobody except him can get votes in Aam Aadmi Party. This is why he's calling elections early, which he, as Tehseen rightfully said, he can call the elections tomorrow as soon as he dissolves the assembly. The elections can happen immediately after that. But he wants to prove to the Aam Aadmi Party workers that he's the leader, not somebody else. And I'll tell you why. In his 26-minute, 10-second speech, on the last 1 minute, he speaks about Manish Sisodia. Manish Sisodia has not had a single portfolio in the last 2 years. Why is he mentioning that Mr. Manish Sisodia will also not be the deputy chief minister or the chief minister? Because he's insecure that if people of Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party workers ask Manish Sisodia to be the temporary chief minister, that might create a power struggle in the Aam Aadmi Party. So it's nothing to do with the BJP. It's an internal power struggle. That's where he wants that time.
Akashdeep.
You know, it seems like that my dear friend does not know that how political parties function. Are you saying that Kejriwal came on the stage without consulting about the decision with any of the ministers or the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party?
Who did he consult to make Sunita Kejriwal ji temporary? अब बता दो ना, कंसल्टेशन की बात कर रहे हो.
Has Sunita Kejriwal be appointed?
करेक्ट. सीसीएम की कुर्सी पे बनाने के पहले कितने एमएलए से सिग्नेचर लिया था वो वीडियो करने के पहले?
देखिए, आप
आपने कंसल्टेशन की बात करी ना.
आज आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ना कि आज आप हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जब कहा था, जब वो गुजरात के चीफ मिनिस्टर थे कि ना कि सीबीआई इज अ केज पैरट और हम केज पैरट को केज से निकालेंगे. आज जो सुप्रीम
नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं बोला. 2 जजेस की बेंच थी जिसमें जस्टिस सूर्यकांत ने डिफर किया था. जस्टिस उज्जैल बयान से दैट्स नॉट द वर्डिक्ट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट.
Friends, I think we are digressing from the issue. That issue has been debated for days now. Let's just stick to the topic at hand. Akashdeep Muni, is it Arvind Kejriwal's insecurity and not these high-sounding words of "मैं जनतंत्र को बचाना चाहता हूँ" that forced him not to resign earlier? And second, if he's so secure, why doesn't he appoint, with consultation of MLAs and their consensus, a permanent chief minister?
See, it will be done. There is a consultation. Which
He's not saying so. You are saying so.
No, sir, madam, she has said that tomorrow there will be a meeting of MLAs and they will be consulted. And second point, I am today again saying that it was Atishi, and I am reiterating what Atishi said. The present chief minister will be giving up all his chief ministerial belongings, like his car, home, everything. So this is a person who is considering, listen to me, considering that Caesar's wife should be above suspicion.
Yes.
Is the same case.
Tehseen Poonawalla, new standards, new benchmarks of honesty. New benchmarks of honesty are being set, Tehseen. After all, how many chief ministers do you know who resign at all?
How many chief ministers do you know, Priya, who have a 15 lakh rupee commode or 40 lakh rupee curtains? And that is the problem. The problem for Kejriwal ji is not the liquor gate. The BJP did trap him in that. There's no doubt about it. But the problem is Sheesh Mahal. The visuals of Sheesh Mahal is now going to haunt him. And therefore, he wants to try and avoid the Sheesh Mahal, which is a Times Now investigation. He wants to avoid Sheesh Mahal. But therefore, and he doesn't want a party to split, therefore he's going to be Mrs. Kejriwal out there. But look, again, the question is, if Mr. Kejriwal has such high standards of morality, why didn't Mr. Kejriwal practice what he said before he got into politics, that as soon as your name is taken, you should resign? He's bothered hypothetically protecting other chief ministers, who anyways Hemant Soren was arrested or other people arrested. Can you tell me in the history of Indian politics, a single elected representative or chief minister who's arrested and they continue to be chief minister in jail? Even Lalu ji resigned, even Hemant ji resigned, any chief minister.
Arvind Kejriwal can say this in his defense, that in 2014 there was no case against him. He still chose to resign. So he has a history that can prove in his favor that he doesn't want to stick to power per se. He's not power hungry.
Yes, he chose to resign in 2014 on the Lokpal issue, not on the corruption issue, after taking his promise of his children that he won't have an alliance with the Congress, and then forming an alliance with the Congress, and then resigning against the BJP. Look, Mr. Kejriwal does not shoot with a straight gun. The question is, name another chief minister was arrested and continued to be chief minister in jail. I stand for Mr. Kejriwal.
Sanjeev Kaushik
I think he was wrongly arrested, but they have no answers to that. They'll again make personal attacks on me and my family. Watch it.
Sanjeev Kaushik ji, do you have answers to Tehseen Poonawalla's question there?
Pointed questions.
प्रिया एक बात समझनी होगी कि अरविंद केजरीवाल परंपरावादी राजनीति करने वाले लोगों में से नहीं है, वो परंपरा से हट के काम करने वाले लोगों में से है। उन्होंने अलग अलग कीर्तिमान भी स्थापित किया है और दिल्ली के इतिहास में उन्होंने अपना नाम भी दर्ज किया है।
सर संबूत से कि गलत परंपरा पर चल रहे हैं वो, अगर परंपरा से हट रहे हैं तो
नहीं कोई मेरी बात तो पूरी हो जाने दीजिए कम से कम। मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं कि यदि ये परंपरा रही है कि किसी को भी यदि आप आरोपी सिद्ध कर दिया, अब सिद्ध हो या नहीं हो, केवल आरोपी हो जाए तो उसको सबसे पहले इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। यदि इस्तीफा दे दिए होते अरविंद केजरीवाल तो आज के वक्त में फिर झारखंड वाली स्थिति दिल्ली में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाह रही थी कि इसी तरह की उहापोह की स्थिति हो। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ये दिखा दिया कि केवल आरोप लगा देने भर से हम इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे, इस्तीफा देना है बाहर निकले, आपको इस्तीफा चाहिए ना, हम बाहर निकल गए इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्सेप्ट कीजिए आप, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। वो किसी और को बैठा रहे हैं, अब उसमें ये बात कि किसको बैठाया जा रहा है किसको नहीं बैठाया जा रहा है। काम के बारे में
आम आदमी पार्टी wanted to show to the people that they're not capitulating to any pressure after they were given a clearance by the Supreme Court, and we all know about the observations that have been made by courts time and again, not only in his case but about other Aam Aadmi Party leaders who got bail as well, questioning the kind of probe that has been undertaken, the laxity that has been pointed out. He did the right thing.
Priya, he was talking about कीर्तिमान। मैं बताता हूं क्या कीर्तिमान है। He is the only chief minister who lived in a sheesh mahal with 45 crores of money, public money. He could have built an hospital with that, but he chose to make a private house for himself and his family. That's the Kirtiman. I'll tell you what's the Kirtiman for him. For 177 days, he continued to be in jail. This only chief minister, even Lalu Prasad Yadav, a corrupt man like Lalu Prasad Yadav could not achieve that. That's the Kirtiman. I'll tell you what's the Kirtiman. That for 177 days when he was in jail, the Delhi government schools were suffering, scams were happening. MCD, the scam was happening. Everywhere there was only scam and scam. I can relate to this. I can go each about it.
But what could have added to those 177 days, Pradeep, could also be what they argued as insurance arrest days.
So why could he not?
He would have come out much earlier.
Please understand. Did the Supreme Court say that the arrest was illegal? Absolutely not. So that insurance arrest argument does not fall into place because the Supreme Court has said that the arrest is legal. Okay. The only part which again I'm saying, I'll give you a difference between his standards. When Manish Sisodia went to jail in the charges, he made Manish Sisodia resign. He made Manish Sisodia leave his position. Why did Mr. Arvind Kejriwal not apply the same principles that he asked Mr. Manish Sisodia to apply? Please tell me that. Because he's power hungry, as Tehseen said. Why could he not call the Delhi Assembly? Why cannot he dissolve the Delhi Assembly if he's so confident about it? Because he wants to show it to his party workers that there is, in this internal power struggle, he's the leader and not Manish Sisodia and somebody else. It's nothing to do with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
We'll quickly know the answer. The sources have told Times Now that next week is when we'll probably know the name of who's going to succeed Arvind Kejriwal. There is the meeting with LG supposed to happen on Tuesday. There is a mega rally planned next on the 22nd here. But let's come to the bigger question here. Now, there can be no denial that what Arvind Kejriwal did today was clearly to play the victim card, to get sympathy votes. But Akashdeep Munit, last time around in Lok Sabha elections, when he got interim bail and there was this whole campaign of jail ka jawab, vote say, it didn't work out. Aam Aadmi Party got 0 seats out of 7 in Delhi. What makes you think that this is going to work out this time around?
Priya ji, in 2019 also Aam Aadmi Party got 0 seats, and in then 2020 it got 57% of votes and 63 seats.
Sir, but जेल का जवाब वोट से नहीं मांग रहे थे ना?
No, एक मिनट मैम, एक मिनट. और एक चीज मैं और बोलना चाहूंगा, प्रदीप भंडारी जी is factually incorrect on legality of CBI arrest. Justice Ujjwal Bhuiya, hold arrest was not needed.
Absolutely, Priya. I am factually correct. That's not the order of the Supreme Court. Justice Suryakant did not comment on it. That's Mr. Ujjwal Bhuiyan's opinion. When two judges differ with them, then the order stays.
There were two different verdicts, but they were concurrent verdicts. Let's not debate on something that has already been done till death. Please make your point.
You are factually incorrect.
Absolutely, I am correct on facts.
Now you are totally incorrect. Justice Bhuiya का
थोड़ा law पढ़ के आओ.
सर बेल मिल गई है, बाहर हैं, 2 दिन बाद रिजाइन करने वाले हैं. Yes, go on, make your point.
Let's not argue on basics. Pradeep is correct.
Okay, one thing, you question regarding the assembly election. Priya ji, today you see, I am predicting in the upcoming assembly election, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुत बड़ी मुक्की खानी पड़ेगी, और ये पता चलेगा जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी मुक्की खाए और फिर अरविंद केजरीवाल आके चीफ मिनिस्टर की गद्दी पे बैठे. उससे पहले उन्होंने अपना पोजीशन छोड़ा, पहले भी छोड़ा, अब भी छोड़ा, क्योंकि ना कि उनको गद्दी से प्यार नहीं है, उनको प्यार है काम करने से।
अच्छा।
उनको काम करना है।
अगर आज वो कहते हैं कि आपका एक एक वोट मेरा ईमानदारी का सर्टिफिकेट होगा, व्हाट इफ ही अगेन डज नॉट गेट द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स दैट ही वांट्स टू, एंड और ये इसका क्राइटेरिया क्या है कि कितने वोट्स आएंगे तो वो ईमानदारी का एग्जाम पास कर लेंगे, और कितने अगर उससे कम आएंगे तो उनको लगेगा कि वो फेल हो गए हैं, और अगर वो फेल हो गए तो क्या करेंगे?
अगर वो बहुमत लेके आए
कहाँ? हरियाणा में?
ईमानदारी का लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में अगर आम आदमी पार्टी फिर से बहुमत में आई तो इससे पता चलेगा कि ना कि लोग उनके साथ है। अगर बहुमत में नहीं आए तो वैसे लोग उनके साथ नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रिपरेशन
so Aam Aadmi Party is saying because the system is so much in the clutches of the party in power, they had no option but to go to जनता की अदालत, and जनता का फैसला will be the final फैसला. They have been forced to seek certificate of honesty from the public.
I agree with you. I agree with him. But where is this? This is hypothetical. Look, Mr. Kejriwal today could have said, here is my resignation, I resign. As Rajagopal ji said, go meet the Excellency the President, hand over his resignation, then 2-3 days of party MLAs will decide who's the Chief Minister. Do it, not wait for 2 days. Number 2, after resign, call a special session. In that special session, dissolve the assembly and ask, and the election commission will have no choice but to call elections. By November, we would have had a new chief minister. You are now saying we are now going to go to Janata, but when? I want to be Superman. But first I should have come from Krypton to be Superman. I may want to be Superman. He may want to go to the Janata Darbar, but for that he should resign and dissolve the assembly. वो तो किया नहीं. He's not resigned. He may have fantasies of being Spider-Man, but first the spider has to bite him. You can't sit in Sheesh Mahal and say I want this and I want that. That is living in fantasy land.
संजीव कौशिक जी, ये जो तुरुप की चाल वो चल रहे थे, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि he has overplayed his hand?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दिमाग में यदि ये बात है तो तैयारी करें उसी तरह से। हम तो सिर्फ ये कह रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जो गुजरात में मुख्यमंत्री के साथ साथ पूरी टीम बदल देती है, किसी को चूसप बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं होती है। यही हरियाणा में इलेक्शन से पहले मुख्यमंत्री बदल दिया जाता है, वो बता रहे हैं कि बदल दे रहे हैं, किसको बैठाएंगे, कब बैठाएंगे। अरे साहब, आपसे पूछ के बैठाएंगे, वो अपने तरीके से बैठाएंगे, जिसको बैठाना होगा आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी। आपको लड़ना है, आइए दिल्ली के मैदान में आइए, दिल्ली की जनता को बताइए कि दिल्ली की जनता को किस तरह से परेशान करने पर तुले हुए हैं आप। एक काम करते हुए मुख्यमंत्री
प्रदीप भंडारी, last 20 seconds, last word to Pradeep Bhandari. Yes.
As per Delhi High Court, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is only interested in power. Let's differentiate two issues. चुनाव की लड़ाई होती है. There have been many politicians who've been convicted by the courts but had received temporary mandate from the people of Bihar and other places. That does not make a corrupt politician an honest politician. So what he's trying to set as a precedent is against the constitutional morality and against the wisdom of the Supreme Court and the High Court.
जहां भारतीय,
अरे आप अगर देश के नेता हो तो हरियाणा में अगर जमानत जब्त हो गई तो ये मान लिया जाएगा कि हरियाणा की जनता कहती है कि आप जो है आप ईमानदार नहीं हो। आम आदमी पार्टी से कि अरविंद केजरीवाल देश के नेता है, तो अगर हरियाणा में अगर आपकी एक भी सीट नहीं है तो इससे आप मान लोगे, क्या इससे आप मान लोगे कि अरविंद केजरीवाल को हरियाणा की जनता ने मान लिया कि अरेस्ट सही था?
लोकसभा और इस गलतफहमी में
अरे मैं असेंबली की बात कर रहा हूं। प्रिया, if I take an argument forward, will they accept that if they get 0 seats in Haryana, then Haryana accept that Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt?
आप आइए दिल्ली
Are they saying that?
आपको पता चलेगा। दिल्ली के जनता के काम को आप डिस्टर्ब करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। दिल्ली के
अरे सब कुछ तो अब आपके पास है, अब कौन सा डिस्टर्ब करेगा कोई?
प्रयास कर रहे हैं। दिल्ली की जनता आपको जवाब देगी।
Let's just hope कि दिल्ली की जनता का काम अब derail.
क्या हुआ प्रिया जी?
Gentlemen, I've completely run out of time, and that is a question that I've asked already. This every single vote will be certificate of honesty. We will see where that certificate is given to Arvind Kejriwal or not. But what really hopes that one can end this fight over who is going to be the Delhi Chief Minister and finally find a Delhi Chief Minister who can work as the Delhi Chief Minister. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining me on this debate. We take a very quick break.